Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. We begin with football. Portmore United have made it to the second consecutive Red Stripe Premier League final after overcoming a 2-1 first leg deficit to beat UWI 2-0 on Sunday at the Mona Bowl.
Both the teams met 4 times before Sunday with 2 wins apiece, and after securing a 2-1 first leg away win, UWI were very much in the driver's seat with Arnett Gardens already waiting in the wings. The Marcel Gale coach team started on the front foot and might have been in front but for faulty shooting. Portmore United were most dangerous with creative players Malik Foster and Ricardo Morris causing problems, but poor execution in the final third resulted in a goalless first half. It was much of the same for the second half, with Portmore United in search of the go-ahead goal, but UWI were stout in defence until 8 minutes from time when it was pried open by a sweeping move which resulted in a Jamie Robinson own goal. So it was 2-2 in aggregate after full time. The game petered out during the extra time period until a moment of individual brilliance from Michael Binns dumped UWI out of the competition.
Grandison and Binns. I think this one will be hit by Grandison. It isn't. It's hit by Binns and it ends in the back of the net. He takes his shirt off. Well, he doesn't. He was going to do it. Michael Binns. And I think he fooled everyone because normally from that position, a right footer would take it. It's not over yet, but it's in the 116th minute. Portmore, they go 2-0.
We're really nervous, of course, because seeing the chances them that we create, not much, but, a couple chances where we should have scored. So, more the game goes, you get anxious, and so on. And then we have to make some changes, definitely, and it pays off.
Credit my players for hard work all season. I mean, one could have made several adjustments and make several changes based on the farmer, but we are grateful and we're thankful to God. I mean, today too brilliant. I think the second goal is a brilliant goal, beat us from a dead ball situation, and there's much you can do about as a coach. But I mean, congrats to Portmore, but well tried, you. I thought we played well.
So it's the 5-time champions Portmore United versus 4-time champions Arnett Gardens in the June 5 final at the National Stadium.